Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I'm gonna do a day in the life on the Tone It Up Bikini series of my workouts and eating.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
This is filmed on a Saturday, and Tone It Up has a free app, and every day there are what they call the daily moves, which are mainly Tony moves. So that's what I try to do at the very least, and usually I'll try to get those done right away in the morning so I can get them out of the way. And that is what I did on this morning. It usually takes about 15 minutes. You can see me looking on my phone to check which move is next. And yeah, I will link everything below. And then on this day, that is kind of all I did, although James and I did go on a bike ride. Well, he rode his bike and I walked/jogged a little bit. That was about a 2-mile endeavor. Part of this series has different guided meditations every week, which I absolutely love. And they did a challenge last winter, and that is actually what kind of pushed me into getting into meditation. I don't think I've ever shared that before. So one of the trainers, Karina Dawn, leads a different guided meditation every week. And I try really hard to do that every day as well. It's about 10 to 15 minutes long. I like to sniff some essential oils to kind of get my mind in the mood. I think it's probably frankincense on that day.
Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat with your feet flat on the floor and your spine straight. Now close your eyes. Relax your entire body and keep your eyes closed throughout this entire visualization and bring your awareness inward. Without straining or concentrating, just relax and gently follow these instructions. Now take a deep breath in and exhale that breath out.
Okay, here is my meal one. It is a green smoothie with spinach, strawberries, almond milk, vanilla protein powder, cinnamon, and chia seeds. I usually use chocolate protein powder, but I thought the vanilla would be good with the strawberries. So there it is, and a walkie-talkie. And here is my meal two. It is just an apple sliced up with cinnamon on top. I think that was actually what was in the meal plan for today. I love doing this, putting cinnamon on apples. It makes it taste better and it kind of feels fancy.
For lunch or meal three, James and I went to Chipotle because Chipotle. I don't think I mentioned it yet, but I eat mainly vegan, and my go-to at Chipotle is a bowl with brown rice, black beans, fajita peppers, 2 scoops of hot salsa, guacamole, lettuce, and then a little hack. If you like cilantro, you can ask them to put some cilantro on top for a really yummy extra flavor boost.
Alright guys, I am having my meal 4, which is good because I'm actually really hungry. So these are, a lot of stores sell these, the mini organic peppers. I love these. So I have a big handful of those, and then some cashews, I don't know, half a cup. And these are roasted and salted. I know it's not the healthiest, but I think they taste way better, so that is what I buy. Okay, I have for dinner a meatless burger, a veggie burger. And then this is just a whole bag of frozen cauliflower that I roasted in the oven with some olive oil, salt, and garlic. And then this is a kale salad, and I made a horseradish vinaigrette. I really like a lot of flavors. So horseradish, hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna eat the burger with a fork and some hot sauce. So, you know, not Instagram worthy, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. I hope you enjoyed everything. I am a nutrition member, which means I get this amazing book with recipes, and as part of the challenge, I get meal ideas and different guidelines. And if you want a lot of guidelines, each meal for each day of the challenge is specifically drawn out with a grocery shopping list. I personally don't like that much direction. I don't like being told what to eat. I don't like to tell myself what to eat, which is why I struggle sometimes with even meal planning. I'll get to the end of the week and be like, don't tell me what to eat past Danielle. So I kind of prefer to do my own thing, but I do follow their guidelines for the kind of breakdown of fat, carbohydrates, and protein. And I've been learning a lot and really enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. And whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.